Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7 and today we're going to be reviewing a new item from LASFIT. Let's go! So as you guys know, my channel sponsor has been LASFIT ever since I started YouTube. So they've been supporting me with LED bulbs, floor mats, and now this wireless charger that they just came out with. Now this is a 15-watt wireless charger, and this is an automatic charger, so meaning if you put your phone on the mount, then this would automatically close. So we're gonna get into it, but first we're gonna do an unboxing of this latest and greatest product from LASFIT. LASFIT was kind enough to send me 3 items, and we're going to be unboxing all of them just so that you can get a better look of what you're going to get if you plan on purchasing these in the future. Starting off with the carport charger. They actually have 2 different versions, one that has 2 USB-A ports, and then there's another that has a USB-C port and a USB-A port, and that one supports fast charging. Both are made with high quality aluminum, and they're small in size compared to your standard size carport adapter. Moving on to the mount itself, as you can see, it's nicely packaged in this white box. You get some nice icons on the side and a picture of the product on the back of the box. Upon taking the items out of the box, we have an instruction manual, and you can pause this video at any time if you want to read it. Next we have our windshield mount, and this feels like it was made from high quality material. Everything feels nice and sturdy, and there are also some adjustment points so that you can adjust the mount to your liking. Of course this goes on your windshield, and the suction on this thing is really strong, which we will get into later on this video. Then we have our screw, which we will be connecting to our windshield mount or the vent clip mount. And then of course we have our USB-C to USB-A so that you can plug in your device. Next we have our vent clip mount, and it's a small mount that you would be sticking in between your vent. And finally we have our wireless charging phone holder. This is made of high quality materials, so not only does this look good, but it also feels good as well. We have a nice gloss black base with LASFIT's logo in the center and on the bottom. This is their signature series, and it is one of their accessories. Nice to see LASFIT leveling up. This charger supports up to 15 watts of key wireless charging, which we will be testing out later. And these are the newest of LASFIT's product lineup. Let's go ahead and test them out. Alright guys, so we're going to see how this mount looks like inside of your car. Now, there is actually a perfect spot that I found that you can place in your car, and that is on the left vent, because there is actually a little space there where there isn't any air coming out. So what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to do the clip for your vent first. So all we have to do is really just push this clip down just like that, and then this you can adjust. So just push down on the clip and adjust this to the correct spot, and then I'm going to use the top one, so just push it in just like that. And so now this is barely covering any air, but we do still have this little piece right here. You're gonna take your little screw, you're gonna put it on this, and then you're gonna place it into this ball, like so. And then you're gonna tighten it. So you're gonna twist to the left to tighten, because it's not gonna be righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's gonna be lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. That makes sense. So once it's nice and tight, it's better if you plug this in first. I don't know why I did that. Let's plug this in real quick. And the plug is located down here. Alright, so we're just going to be plugging it in like so. We'll worry about the wire later, but we're going to be plugging this USB into your carport charger. And then what I'm going to be doing, just so that I can hide the wires, so we're going to feed the wire into your little lower cubby area, so like this. And then since I have a dash cam plugged in, I'm just going to take it off, and then you're going to plug it into your carport charger. And look how flush this thing sits in there. So it's not popping out or anything or like taking up space. It's actually in there pretty good. So now we're going to be testing out the product to see if it actually works. So it's powered on. You can't actually use a case like I have right here. This is like a credit card case. To mount this on, all you have to do is just touch this and it'll open up, and then you just place your phone in there. It's not gonna work because the case is a little too thick, because again, this is a credit card case, and look at that thick boy. It's not gonna work. And the only contact points is right here and right here, so there's nothing really touching the thing, so it's not gonna be able to detect it. Anyways, we're gonna try this phone out without a case. This is an iPhone, and this obviously supports wireless charging. Any phone that supports wireless charging will work on this. So you just place it on just like that, and then it'll grip on like so. And now, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is now charging wirelessly. So this device supports 15-volt wireless charging, and so like this Android phone that I have here, it's a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I put it on the thing and it let me know that the device is fast wireless charging, because this does support wireless charging up to 15 volts, which is perfect because that's the max that this phone can support. If you have an iPhone, the maximum wireless charging it supports is 9 volts. So this is perfect for both Apple and Android. Even with the case, it's a really thin case that I have on this phone. This still works. It's really easy to use. So if you wanted to take your phone out, there's 2 buttons on the side which are touch sensitive. So you can touch the button on either sides of the device and it'll release the phone. And then they also included this little arm right here, and this actually attaches to your windshield. So on this side you have these little adjusters. So this goes just like that. And then up here, if I were to twist this, you can slide that out like so to your liking. If you don't have like a K-tuner installed, then you can always mount the phone charger here. But it's up to you where you're gonna mount it. And there's a pretty good suction with this arm. And just for demonstration purposes only, I'm gonna be testing out this mount to see how strong the suction cup on this thing is. So I'm gonna be opening this door just using this mount. All right, and then we're just gonna pull this. There you go, see, look at that. And then, look at that. See how strong that is? That's a pretty strong mount. And you guys already know the weight of your door, so this will give you an idea of how strong this suction cup is. Look at that. See that? Boom. So the final thoughts of this product, it's a really good product, just like with other LASFIT products. I'm not saying it because they're my sponsor, but this is a really cool thing to have in your car, especially with the 2 buttons on the side where you just touch it and then it'll release the phone. And to put the phone in, the clamps would automatically close and charge your phone, especially because it supports fast wireless charging for your Android device and also your Apple device as well, because this has 15 watts of power. I highly suggest getting this product if you are looking into a car mount charger for your car. This is actually a great companion to that wireless CarPlay adapter, because I did make a video of the wireless CarPlay adapter, but yeah, for the most part, no wires that you can see or your passengers can see, so that'll make for a cleaner look to the inside of your car, because it's not gonna look like a wiry mess. The phone is also secure in the mount even when I'm trying to forcibly try to shake the phone out of the mount. So this is great if you live in an area where there's a lot of bumps. There's also a cool feature where if you turn off your car and you forget your phone, you can actually still open and close this device so you won't have to start your car again. Anyways, would I recommend this product? Absolutely. And for the price, it's well worth the money. The product alone is only $29.99, and then with the carport charger that supports the fast charging, it's $14. And then you also get 10% off using my code CTFK7, so you can't go wrong with that. Let's move on to the end screen. LASFIT is a growing company that started from making only LED lighting. They're always trying to innovate and develop more high quality products for their consumers. That's why they started to develop stuff like floor mats, off-road lights, and more automotive parts and accessories. This wireless phone holder is their latest product, which they have developed according to their customers' feedback and needs. If you want a chance to win this wireless charger, LASFIT is actually willing to do a giveaway to a lucky subscriber. To enter, comment down below where you leave your phone when you get in your car and what are your thoughts of this product. Good luck. You guys already know what time it is, because it's time for subscriber builds. first build for today's video is from Kent, and he says, "Hi, my name is Kent and this is my 2021 Honda Civic Sport sedan." Next is Alex's build with his Civic Sport Coupe. Then we have Logan Correa's build, and he has a K&N intake, Boomba blow-off valve, and is about to get a tuner and exhaust work done. Keep up the good content. Finally, we have, apologies if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but we have Amritpal Sandhu, and they said, "Hey Chris, this is my 2020 FK7 with a PRL short rail, VC coilovers, and some cheap fast wheels. Love the videos, keep it up man," and you can follow him on Instagram.
If you want to get featured on my future videos, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on my future videos. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. If ever you're interested on these products, I'm going to be linking it down in the description, and use my code CTFK7 for 10% off. That just doesn't apply for these products, but also for any other product that you purchase from LASFIT. And make sure you get the fast car charger, because if you don't get one of these, this doesn't actually include one, so you're going to have to buy this separately, and it's well worth your money. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be doing in the future. And let me know what you guys think of this new format that I've been testing out. Is it good? Is it bad? Did you guys like my old videos better, or are my new videos better? So I need you guys' feedback down in the comments down below. So thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.